How to buy an ETF. That's what I'm going to walk you through step by step in today's video. So there's basically 3 steps you need to go through. You need to, 1, open an account. So this could be a taxable brokerage or a Roth IRA, but you need to be able to purchase individual stocks and ETFs with this account. After the account creation, you're going to need to fund your account or add money from your bank account into your new investment account. And from there, you're going to be able to purchase an ETF. And if you want to frequently make investments and you're not going to be investing enough to purchase an entire share, being able to purchase fractional shares, meaning you can purchase $5 a week, $25 a month, or whatever it happens to be, you can purchase in very small amounts, regardless of how expensive each share is. I want to run through the entire process of creating a new account, adding money to it, and making the investment. So what we're going to use today is SoFi Invest. There's an infinite number of places where you could open a taxable brokerage account or a Roth IRA. I've done reviews on a handful of different investment platforms. I'll put links to those review videos and tutorials down below in the description. A lot of the different investment platforms, SoFi Invest included, will give you free stock when you set up and fund your account. I believe SoFi Invest right now will give you $25 after investing $100. And all the other offers for different exchanges, I'll put a handful of them down below in the description as well. One quick thing before we go further, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. It's for purely educational purposes. Before making any investment, you want to make sure to do your own research. After logging into my SoFi account, it's going to look something like this. To create a new invest account, I can click on invest, and then in the top right, it says new account. One other thing I forgot to mention when choosing where to open an account, make sure there's commission-free trading so you can buy and sell ETFs and stocks and not pay any commissions. Which type of commission for investing would you like to start? So you can see the grayed out ones are accounts that I already have. Down below, I haven't created an automated investing account, so SoFi does have a robo-advisor. If you want me to create a review video on that, write automated investing down below in the comment section. Then over here, we see self-directed IRA investing, active investing. So this is what will allow you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs. Over here, they're going to create a portfolio of ETFs for you. So here's what we want to create today, self-directed IRA investing. And we want to create a Roth IRA. Then click on get started. Okay, so here they want to verify my information. As you're creating an account for the first time, you'll have to enter this information. So your legal name, if you're a US citizen, date of birth, social security number, basically all investment platforms are going to ask for this information, as well as address, career, etc. And then click on next. And then this is something that basically all investment accounts are going to ask as well. They want to make sure that you don't have direct influence over a public company. So are you a broker? Are you a 10% shareholder? Are you a senior citizen or vulnerable adult who would like to add a trusted contact? So most of the time for these questions, you would just have no down the board, but make sure to read through them. Next, here's all the legal stuff. Agree and finish. And then here it's already prompting me to connect a bank account. So let's connect my SoFi account. And how much would you like to add? So let's add $100 to our account, frequency 1 time, or you can write here, already set up your recurring purchases. Seeing the prompt to set up recurring deposits is a good time to remind you I have a free course that'll walk you through step-by-step how to automate your finances. If you're interested in signing up, check out the link in the description below. For right now, I'm just going to set up the one-time frequency of adding money to my account from my SoFi Money account, or now called SoFi Checking and Savings. And then for some reason, it's just giving me the traditional IRA that I already have, as well as my individual account. So additional transfer options. Okay, so I had to cancel out of that. For some reason, it wasn't giving me the option to actually add to the Roth IRA. I could add to my previous accounts. So let's get that set up correctly. Transfer your investments, no. Make it a habit. We'll do that in a second. We're going to refresh the screen and then everything's going to work. Okay, Roth IRA, I have an account. Let's add cash. Okay, now we have it. So we see SoFi Money to Roth IRA. Boom, it's working. Let's add $100 to our new Roth IRA and click on next. And then right here, this would be a IRA contribution. And the nice thing, I'm recording on April 14th. Up until tax day, you can actually contribute funds to your Roth IRA from the previous year. When you're watching this video, it's going to be after tax day, so you'll only have the option to contribute to 2022. All right, you're all set, $100. So here's just a quick bonus tip. If you're looking to automate your finances, like I mentioned earlier, is to just set up recurring deposits. So I want to invest $10 a week, $50 a month, whatever amount that you can set aside. It's better to pay yourself first, pull that money out of your checking account and set it aside in an investment account. You'll be able to get by with what you have in your checking, and just on autopilot, your investment account is going to grow. So add recurring deposit. So weekly, every Monday, let's add $10. next. IRA contribution, next. Add money. All set. Boom, good to go. So you can see the $100 was added to my account, but it's just sitting there in cash. So let's put it to work. Also, I'll put some resources down below to help you find the ETFs that you want to invest in, but also you'll see within SoFi Invest, it's going to give you a lot of information on each one. So here you can search for the ETF stock or crypto that you're looking for. Let's invest in VTI today, which is Vanguard's total market index for the US. So you can see here, the share is $220.96. Again, this is the importance of purchasing fractional shares, is I only have $100 in my account, so I couldn't purchase a full share of this ETF, but I could purchase $5, $10, or anything less than that because SoFi Invest and a bunch of other exchanges offer fractional shares. You can look at the price change over the last day, week, month, year, or 5 years. And then along the side, it gives a summary of the daily high and low, price at open, 52-week high and low, as well as the dividend yield volume, average volume PE ratio, 30-day SEC yield, and expense ratio. 0.03% is fairly low. So that's one of the reasons why people like to invest in ETFs, is because of the low expenses. Another nice thing, along the left-hand side, you'll see the top 10 holdings of this particular ETF. If this is what you wanted to make a purchase of, you just need to click on buy. And then you can see here, you can choose between dollars and shares. So shares, I would need $221, which I don't have right now, but with dollars, I can make a smaller amount. So let's say I want to invest $25 from my Roth IRA into VTI. That's what I would be doing right now. Click on review, order total $25, place order, boom, your trade is all set. So we just purchased our first ETF in our new account. That's how easy it is to buy an ETF. You notice I created a Roth IRA and made the investment from the Roth IRA account. If you want to learn about the benefits or why you would want to set up a Roth IRA, check out the video up above. If you want to see how SoFi Invest compares to a bunch of other investment platforms, check out the playlist below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.